Come on, you. Welcome. Shh, don't run. There is nowhere you can go. I know. Where am I? Who is she? This scientist? Yes, you are correct. Women can be scientists. So you are here with me, trapped. Don't worry, don't look so scared. I will release you when I have my results, when you give me the evidence that I need to perform my experiments and all things to do with you and, quite frankly, your specimen. You are a specimen. You might not have heard that before, at least not in a positive sense, but I can't wait to get my hands in your brains, in your body, and find out what makes you you. I know, so let's get started. The sooner we start, the sooner you can go back to your mundane life and I can carry on doing life-changing research. What do you say? Well, you kind of have no choice, but your safety is the most important. I cannot lose my license again, so you will not perish. I can promise you that. I can promise you that. So, where shall we begin? Where shall we begin? When you were asleep, I took some samples. If you want some samples, well, let me just show you. And not show you my workings out. That is beyond your incapable, tiny little brain. But I will show you my findings, my evidence I have gathered, and safety first. Safety first. But oh, I've only got the pair for myself. You will not be doing anything dangerous. I just need to see how you react to certain things, how you respond to certain points and triggers and tests. I will be doing the dirty work, so fear not. You will be in safe and capable hands, I promise you. Now, whilst you were asleep, I did, in fact, take a little plasma from your body, but shh, it's okay, it's a little invasive, but you can't even feel it, you cannot even know, so shh. It's here now, and it's safely in my little syringe here, and I'm going to mix it with this solution I have made and see, give it a little mix. Really see if anything happens, to see what kind of specimen you are, to see what kind of creature you've become. No visible changes, no foam or froth, but the smell when that is mixed, go on, smell it. A little sickening, isn't it? Yes, a little sickening indeed. That is quite alright. That is quite okay. In fact, that has given me more reason to believe that you are human. You are capable of more than I thought. So, on to the next. I did also take a little of your blood. I know that is wrong of me, but to find out your blood type, to find out everything there is to know about you. Just mix these two together and really see. What happens when your blood is mixed with other animals' blood, if it coagulates and conforms, it joins together, or if they separate like the same magnet, repels. Well, maybe you do have a little wolf in you, maybe you do have a little ferocious side to you. We'll yet to see. I mean, you have not overcome me, have you? You are patiently waiting here, patiently waiting, and well, smell that. Smell it. See, you are included, aren't I? Brilliant to dumb it down for you. Well, it is from your help after all, isn't it? It is your own doing that we could be here today, and I'm so grateful that you are willing. You are a willing participant, and even if you're not, you will be by the end. You will uncover so many truths about yourself. Don't you know that? You will. You will, you will, and I'm so proud to be part of that journey with you. So, I also took the liberty of getting a model of your brain. Don't worry, it's not real, it's just a 3D brain. But can you feel it? Can you feel the inside of your brain almost twitching in recognition? Can you feel if I squeeze it? Do you squirm? Do you feel like I am inside your head? Do you feel like I can do anything to you? What if I just put this brain of yours on your head inside, on top of your head like so? What do you say to that? Two brains, two of the same brain together. But obviously there aren't any neurons in this brain, are there? There's no pathways, no connection. But I found it very intriguing just to see how small it is, how many wrinkles you carry, and just to get to know you a little bit better. Maybe we can cut into it, really slice and dissect, find the cross-section of your brain, squeeze it, test it. And do you think it would be the same for your brain in there? Do you think it would be the same for your brain, your real brain, if we cut your head open? Do you think it would be similar to this? Similar to how we're acting with this one now? We can see, can't we? We can find that out if you try to run, but I don't think you will. I think you find this too intriguing. I certainly do. Squeeze, squeeze, like a brain massage. Are you getting second-hand tingles, second-hand little brain massage inside your head there, knowing that I'm touching your brain, 3D print-out version of your brain scan? Do you think? Or are you not bothered? You don't care? You don't find it relaxing? You don't find your brain tingling in recognition? You don't? Maybe if I got the head out, maybe if I got out the head, then you might. But we'll see, won't we? I'll put your brain down for now. I just found it very interesting. And I don't think your brain would be as easy to manipulate. I think your brain is a lot stronger than this. It would certainly suffer if I was tapping your real brain like this, wouldn't it? Well, you'd hope so. So what about this head? What about this? Do you think that you'll feel it? Do you feel your chin tingling if I touch its chin? Do you feel that? I have taken some of your bodily fluids, shall we say, and injected it into this real life-size head. Just to see, just to test if you'll get tingles, if you'll feel the tip-tip-tap of the chin here. What about the nose? Do you feel this recognition? What is this? What is this? Can you tell me what this body part is? Are you human? Do you know? Well, I've told you the chin. I've told you the nose. What about if I picked your nose? Do you feel a sneeze coming on? Do you? Well, what is this? Tell me, tell me. Are you a human? Good guess. That is a good guess. What about your brain again? The top of your head. Do you feel your hair standing on edge? Do you feel your follicles responding to my tip taps? It's very interesting. A very interesting observation here. Do you feel it? The more I go down the forehead, do you feel your forehead tingling? Scratch. Do you prefer scratches or taps? It's all for science. You be as honest as you like. Scratch. And what about these? Do you think these are something special? Do you think these have a name? These here. Wow, that is very interesting. Do you remember what colour yours are? Do you remember? Let me check. Well, you might be right about that for once. What about your nose again? Do you feel itchy on your nose, like you need to sneeze? Tickle. What if you gave yourself a little Eskimo kiss? So funny, isn't it? It's like your twin, like you're home away from home. I find that so exciting. The fact that it worked, the fact that your little injections here from you into this model here, and you can feel it. That is thrilling, that is mind-blowing, captivating news. My research will be coming together just as I'd hoped, as I'd imagined, as I'd dreamed, and it's all thanks to you. So thank you. That's amazing news. I also took the liberty of taking a little potion from your body, be it a superhero concoction, and in the purple here, it will make you so strong. Think of the Invincibles, the dad from That's So Strong you could lift a car if necessary. And in the other, I did the opposite. I made a formula that will break down the protein in your body, causing muscle weakness. And well, which would you prefer? Which pill would you like to swallow? Which injection would you like? Super strong or super weak? Both are pretty debilitating if you ask me. I mean, you might get picked up by the circus, by the scientists trying to understand how you came to be. And this, well, you'll need help in every aspect of your life, no doubt. But it's up to you. Which would you prefer? Excellent choice. Tilt your neck for me there. Oh, well, I think that was actually the wrong one. Who's to say? I don't believe I labelled them. Silly me. Silly me. That is inconsolable. Shh, fear not. I'll keep in touch. We can see how your body takes shape. We can see how your body forms in time. It won't take too long, maybe a month or so. And we can see, can't we? We can see how your muscles develop, how your strength turns, be it weaker or stronger, and we shall find out. That is thrilling. It's like rolling the dice and seeing what pops out of you here. Apologies for that little mishap, but I can reverse it once we know what I injected you with, once we know what I injected you with, and we can reverse this. I have the brain power, I have the tools, I have the ambition, and now that you seem fully up for the task, fully up for the surrender, and to really find out what you'll become, I'm invested. Let me just see if I can actually see any changes start to appear on you. Let me see if anything is suspicious. I mean, your pupils are so large, but I mean, it might just be because you're in love with me. I mean, there are many answers to that, aren't there? Almost like when you're in a hostage situation. What is that called? Forgive me. Oh yes, Stockholm Syndrome. I don't think you'll be here long enough to accumulate that. So intriguing you are. You maintain excellent eye contact. Let me really look around you. Let me look at your body here. Let me inspect all there is to inspect. The top of your head. Is any veins popping? Is anything growing or shrinking? That is so exciting. I don't believe any changes are noteworthy just yet, but I believe you are changing. I believe that serum has changed you in some way, for the better or for the worse. We are yet to find out. Well, also it is your own perception of these matters, isn't it? Depending on which one you really wanted. So exciting. Thank goodness I stole you away. Thank goodness I took you and made you mine for the afternoon. This is revolutionary. I hope you know that. You'll be credited on my research. Don't you worry about that. I could sit here and watch you all day long. Any changes in you or your body. Thrilling. So I also took a little urine from you. I hope you don't mind. You should drink more water, my darling, just as a side note. But I took some urine from you and I am mixing it with this concoction, and I hope that this will solve droughts, dehydration, lack of access to water. If you could turn your own urine, mix it with a solution I have concocted, and poof, real drinking water. I know, so pure, so purified, and well, do you want to see the magic happen? I am yet to perfect, but I hope that this result will be different than my own, because you are a different person, a different being, a specimen after all, aren't you? So please, do me the honours. Shake, shake, shake. Shaken, not stirred, Mr. Bond. There you go. Please drink up. Don't look so disgusted. It should be pure water now. You don't believe me? Drink up, my little one, please. Just a sip, just a taste. Put your tongue in there. Yes. Yes, yes. I suppose there might be a residual smell from the container. Okay, fussy, 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 fussy. I will move it along, place it in this new container here. Please drink up. Yes. Tell me, what do you think? Have I changed the world or not yet? Oh, thrilling. You might be the reason. You might be the key to unlock all of my success. Do you need any more? Are you thirsty? Well, there you go. Drink up, my buttercup. Isn't it funny? Urine being my most successful story here. Well, thank you to you for trusting me, for believing in me and my story. It is true. I'm not lying to you. Don't worry about that. My little one, my precious thing there. Your body, I feel, holds so many secrets, so many things to unlock, and I just can't wait to get into that brain of yours, into the true essence of who you are and how you're made up, your genes and everything like that. How many enzymes do you have? How many chromosomes do you have? How many cells? And what are they made up of? Do you see my train of thought? Do you see how much there is to extract from you, how much there is to dabble and take notes on and change and inspect and investigate. I don't think you do. I don't think you're aware how priceless you are to me now. Let me have a proper good look at you again. That is remarkable. You are remarkable. It's so exciting, so exciting. All of the developments we can have, all of the developments and advantages that we can hold together. And if you want to, I did promise to let you go very soon, so if you want nothing more to do with me, if you think I'm a creep, then so be it. You can go. I have enough of your extractions of your fluids here to keep me entertained, to let me go by, let me go on experimenting with your DNA. Yes, I wonder if me touching your nose here impacts my little model here. Wonder if touching your chin here makes my little friend here quiver and tickle, tickle, tickle. I wonder if seeing your eyes close, close, close. I wonder if they feel it too. If I block out the light, can you not see? Maybe I need to run more tests on that. I believe the forehead is very linked up, isn't it? What if I tap your forehead? Tap, 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 tap. Scratch, scratch. Do you think my friend here feels everything? I hope so. This is the next thing I hope to connect the dots on. I hope to formulate a plan with, and how exciting. Maybe I can give you a bat signal with this head of mine here. I can really call upon you. Tug on your little earlobe, maybe. Tug, tug, tug. Or tickle your chin. Maybe if I tickle your chin, tap your nose, tickle your chin, you know to come back. You know there's a development in the plan. Tickle, tickle, tap, tap, tickle, tickle. Is that fair? Will you answer to that? Did you feel it? Most importantly, did you feel it? This is revolutionary. I cannot believe we are a part of this. So maybe I will save your brain for another day. If you choose to come back, we can make scans. We can scan your head again and have more than this lump that we have here in my hand. Squeeze your brain, wring out its juices to find all the knowledge you have in there, all the secrets, everything that you know and love. All mine whispering to me, whisper, whisper, whisper. What do you say? I think this needs a little more work yet, doesn't it? I just love to touch it. I feel like I'm close with you. I'm close. I could get lost in its folds. You're a cheeky one, aren't you? Maybe you are a human after all. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze and manipulate your little brain. It's very interesting to see your response. It's very interesting to get lost in these little tiny experiments. And well, maybe I will take one more thing from you if you do not mind. I would love a little drop of this saliva in your mouth to really run more tests safely in this. Amazing. 5 milliliters of your saliva. A little more to make it 5. Come on. Well. That is remarkable. So many enzymes in here, so much activity, so many cells to start breaking down any food that enters your mouth, anything to enter your mouth. This will be the secret, won't it? Maybe after solving the water issue, I can solve the food issues. Let's not run before we can walk, eh? Well, you've given me more than enough, so let me blindfold you again and I can take you back outside. Or do you want to know? You know, I'm just worried. I fear that you'll bring unwanted guests to my door if you know where I am, if you know my address. And quite frankly, I don't quite trust you yet. Maybe if you come back of your own accord, if we use the bat signal to see which potion I injected into you, if you're strong or if you're weak. Are you ready? Ready to return to reality, are you? Very well, very good, because I've not spoken to a person for this long, in so long that I am drained, and that is not a reflection on you, my sweet, helpful being. This is purely because I am a solitary creature. I am an introvert, and well, it's been a pleasure, but I need to rest now, to write up my notes, to progress, moving forward. You understand? Let's go then. Out we go, out we go. I hope you don't remember any of this, but if you do, you'll feel a tickle on your chin and you will know why. Are you ready? Thank you for everything. I really mean that. You've been very helpful and very cooperative. The exit is just behind you there, and I hope to see you very soon. And if you have any sort of repercussions or symptoms from those jabs or experiments that I gave you, then come back, okay? You will find me easier than you think. And if you do want to come back, you can. I have a members club for up and coming little scientists. I know. You'll get new information every single Wednesday. You can find out more about that below. Take care now. See you again very soon. Now off you go, back to safety.